So, you want to start investing but you're stuck between Robinhood and E-TRADE? Yeah, I get it. They both sound great on paper, but they're actually built for very different types of beginners. In the next 2 minutes, I'm breaking down exactly which one you should pick based on what you actually need. Let's go. Quick rundown. Robinhood is the sleek, mobile-first app that made stock trading feel like scrolling Instagram. Zero commissions, super simple interface, perfect if you just want to buy stocks or crypto without overthinking it. E-TRADE, on the other hand, has been around since the 80s. It's also commission-free now, but it gives you way more tools, research, and educational content. Think of it as the platform that grows with you as you get more serious. Ease of use. Let's be real. Robinhood wins here. The app is crazy intuitive. You can literally buy a stock in 3 taps. No clutter, no confusing menus. E-TRADE? It's not hard, but there's definitely a learning curve because there's just more stuff on the screen. Features and tools. But here's where E-TRADE pulls ahead. Robinhood keeps it minimal. Stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. That's it. ETRADE gives you mutual funds, bonds, retirement accounts like IRAs, plus advanced charting tools and analyst reports. If you want to actually learn investing, E-TRADE has way more to offer. Customer support. This one's important. Robinhood's support is, let's just say it's not their strong suit. Mostly email-based, can take days. E-TRADE has 24/7 phone support and live chat. If something goes wrong, you'll actually talk to a human. Best for who? So Robinhood is perfect if you're a complete beginner who just wants to dip your toes in, buying a few stocks, testing the waters, keeping it casual. E-TRADE is better if you're serious about building a long-term investment portfolio, want access to research, or plan to open a retirement account. Bottom line? Robinhood is great for simplicity and getting started fast, but it's kind of like training wheels. You might outgrow it. E-TRADE is the better long-term choice if you want a platform that actually teaches you and scales with your goals. My take? Start with Robinhood if you're genuinely nervous about investing. But if you're ready to take it even a little bit seriously, just go with E-TRADE from day one. You'll thank yourself later. Alright, that's it. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS tech and finance breakdowns. Drop a comment if you're Team Robinhood or Team E-TRADE. I want to hear your experience. See you in the next one.